We're gonna be looking at the Skycamp 4.0 quad from iKamper, and I'm gonna show you exactly why it might just be the best tent on the market. So first, we're gonna talk about how quickly and easy this thing is to set up. It's definitely really easy, and it takes, I would say, roughly about a minute to fully set up. So there's 2 latches on the side that stay locked all the time. You need a key for it. So once you unlock those, you flip up the clamshell and you pull out the floor. It's super, super simple. Anybody can do it. Once it's set up, you put these metal poles in which hold the rain flies open all around. You don't have to put all of them up at once, but you will have to put up this main door, which just makes your life easier when you're climbing in and out of the tent. As we go through this video, you're really gonna see that iKamper has just thought of everything and jam-packed this tent with just about every feature that you could possibly need when you're out camping. The first one is this little bag. I know it's to hold the ladder, but it also holds your shoes. So you could put your shoes in here and you don't have to worry about snakes and spiders going into your shoes in the middle of the night. They're just gonna be right here, hanging, and you'll know exactly where they are every single night. So when you first get this tent, the very first thing you're gonna notice is the quality of it. This isn't some cheap made tent. This was actually made in Korea, where they actually put the time and they focus on the quality of the materials, the craftsmanship, literally just everything about it. It's made of a breathable canvas, so a lot of tents I've noticed, once you're in them at night, it gets really hot and sweaty and steamy and not the good kind. The materials that iKamper uses are probably the best you could possibly get when you're building a rooftop tent. Just feeling the fabric, feeling the mattresses on the inside that are so unbelievably comfortable. Everything on this tent is just top notch. Like, you can really tell they put time and detail into designing it, making sure that all of the components work correctly, and that every component on it is just high quality. With the breathable canvas, and this tent is made for all 4 seasons. So you won't have to worry about rain, snow, heat, any of that stuff. It'll totally handle it once it's open, and especially when it's closed. With the hard texturized shell, once it's closed, you won't really have to worry about anything, which is super nice. Now we're where the magic happens. This is one of the biggest tents that iKamper has on their website. So it's 84 inches by 83. It's actually a little bit bigger than that, but that's roughly the size of your sleeping area. And these RTT comfort mattresses. So I have the ones with the foam and the air. So it's like a Tempur-Pedic mattress, plus you can fill it up with air to get it a little bit thicker, which we all like it a little bit thicker. So like I said earlier in the video, iKamper has definitely thought of everything. So there's windows on all sides, except this back portion. This is where the shell is, but you do have a skylight with it being like a plastic film over it. So if it's raining, you don't have to worry about it getting wet. But there's a lot of airflow going out the sides of it as well. So you can open this up and be totally fine with the rain, snow, whatever you want. Just look at the stars. One of the best parts of the tent is actually this light bar that's integrated into the tent. So you do have to bring a battery up. You can just bring like a little battery pack. I have a big old Blue Eddy battery over here that's powering these lights, but I always have to use my phone, use a flashlight, and half the time I lose it. But this remote is in the same spot every single time, and it actually changes colors. So there's white, red, and orange, and it's also dimmable. So that's probably my favorite feature of this tent, aside from the space. There's pockets on both sides of this tent, which a cool thing that I found out on this tent is, so there's a pocket over here. I actually tend to leave my phone or just like things that I need in and out of the tent like so often, but this pocket actually goes to the outside. So I can unzip it from the outside, grab my phone out of there, And now I don't have to go in and out of this tent and trek across 3 continents to get to the other side. So once again, it's a massive area to sleep in. It has gas struts to make it super easy to open and close on your own. You don't need to be strong. You can be weak like my girlfriend. There's also ports for if you have an air conditioning unit or a heating unit that you bring along. You can actually hook a tube up to either side and have it pump in cold air, hot air, whatever you need. I'm 6 foot tall and I can't even touch end to end. That's how big it is in here. Even going this direction, I still don't touch end to end. It's literally so comfortable in here. And that's the Skycamp 4.0 quad by iKamper. After seeing everything in this video, what are your thoughts? Do you think this is the best tent on the market? Leave a comment down below what you think.